Alright, welcome to this next video in the social media series, and in this video we're going to be talking about YouTube, another one of those very powerful social networks that we really want to tap into. But first, just a couple key facts again about YouTube to help you understand how powerful a YouTube strategy can be. Currently YouTube has over 75 million videos and controls more eyeballs than NBC, ABC, and CNN combined. These long-time big players in the industry are just looking at themselves going, how on earth can we compete against YouTube? What can we do to become like that and whatnot? So who had ever thought, right? 65,000, it's estimated 65,000 new videos are uploaded to YouTube every single day. YouTube is the #4 most visited website on the internet as of this recording, and there's 1.2 billion videos streamed every single day. The one thing that I thought was pretty interesting was this one, that more searches are done on YouTube than on Yahoo, according to ComScore, and this is in 2000, I believe this data came from 2010. So more searches are done in YouTube's internal search engine than are done in Yahoo's search engine, which is very, very interesting. Kind of helps me understand maybe a trend that's coming, that people, when they're searching, they might want a little bit more interactive content. I don't know, who knows, but the idea there is pretty important that they have a bunch of searches happening, even more than Yahoo. So let's get into the actual step-by-step process though, and kind of the things you need to do to leverage YouTube to help grow your business and create a loyal following. So the first thing you need to do is obviously set up an account. Set up your YouTube account, go to youtube.com, set up an account. When you do that, you're able to set up and customize your background. You create what's called a channel, okay? And you have your own YouTube channel and you get to customize the background. We actually have a video showing you how to set up your channel, how to customize your background. We've tried to think about everything that you'll need to do. We've got a video on how to do that. But create a custom background similar to the background that you used, if not the same background you used in your Twitter account. Alright, and then again, like I said, the same. Alright, so after you have your account set up, then obviously we're going to want to start uploading videos. Now later in this video I'm going to talk about what you say on the video and how you can create these videos. But when you upload your videos, you're going to want to auto share these videos. There's an option when you upload them to auto share with MySpace and Facebook and Twitter, and you absolutely want to do this. Again, it automates some of this process. After we've got our videos uploaded, we need to start generating views. Now, it's okay in the very beginning to fabricate some views. We need to have our video show that it's becoming more and more popular. So you may want to have your friends or employees or your email list send them an email and say, hey, I just uploaded a new video into YouTube, go take a look. That will actually boost your views and allowing your video to climb in the search results internally in YouTube. Alright? And then the fourth thing is, after we've got views, we want to send those viewers to our website, and you may need to incentivize them to visit your website. There's also something inside of YouTube that you can do called YouTube PPC ads, or pay-per-click ads. I'm sure you've seen them. When you're watching a YouTube video and there's a little ad that kind of flies up from the bottom, you actually can write ads for your own videos and have them fly up over your own videos and link to your website. So you do have to pay for it, but the cost on your own video, because again you're doing this on your own video, is very, very cheap. For as cheap as a penny, maybe 5 cents per click. I mean, you control that because nobody else is getting to bid on putting an ad over your video. Okay, so we get to run very, very cheap ads here. Now I'll talk a little bit more as you create the videos, how to incentivize and how to get people to go to your website from your videos, because that's definitely the thing we want to do. The fifth thing we're going to want to do is, on all your videos, here's some of the things that you need to do. One is you need to ask your viewers or tell your viewers to embed your videos on their blogs or comment on your videos or even to pass it on. Or click on the link, in your description to go to your website. Tell them what to do and they'll do it. This is a term we've tried using and it seemed to work very well. Is to say something along the lines of, you have full permission to embed our video on your blog, comment on our video, or pass the video on. obviously they have full permission. It's on YouTube, so they probably already know that. But when you say you have full permission, I don't know what happens. They just automatically assume that they need to do that because now they have permission, and it's okay, so they're going to do it. All right? You need to make sure, though, when they're going to do this and pass it on and embed it, that you have your domain name on all of your videos. So you need to make sure that you have put your domain name. It doesn't have to be that fancy, but just put your domain name on the videos, so that way if people ever use your videos, embed them, it's okay because they're marketing your website for you. We like that. It's a positive. Okay? Helps it to go viral. Plus, it helps get your domain name out there and getting traffic to your website. So the sixth thing we need to do is just the basic marketing. Market your YouTube channel and your videos just like you would any other type of marketing effort. So we've got these videos that we've created. We've uploaded them into YouTube. Now we need to market our channel. You're going to ping your videos. Okay? You're going to go to pingler.com and pingoat.com and just follow the instructions. There's like 3 fields to fill in. You just need to fill in those fields, and voila, follow the instructions, and you've pinged your videos. It's going to let this different search engines and websites know that this video page or this video now exists. You also need to bookmark each video. And you've already watched the video on social bookmarking, but go and actually, you have a URL, a specific URL for every single video. Go and bookmark that specific URL and that video, and the more bookmarks you get, again, it's going to start to show higher in the search results, not only internally in YouTube, but also in the search engines, which is definitely what we want to have happen. Okay? And then auto-submit your videos, like I said, to your blog, to Facebook, to MySpace. Automate those processes as much as you can. So now let's just briefly talk about what you need to do in your videos, how to create these videos. Okay? You've been on YouTube. You know the quality of these videos is not that great. And so what I want you to do is follow this kind of model when you create your videos, whether you go get a flip camera for $100 and some odd bucks, or you use a screen capturing software like Jing or something like that. We'll put links to those below. But you know, whatever you do, follow this process in creating your videos. So first, you're going to introduce yourself. Tell them who you are. The second thing you're going to do is build some credibility. Why should they listen to you? Okay? Because again, you need to capture their attention. That's generally when people leave, is within the first, I think, 15 to 20 seconds of the video. You need to be able to tell them who you are and build some credibility. After you've built credibility, explain to them what you're going to cover in your video. Right? And then teach them or explain what you said you're going to cover. And it's got to be valuable. Make sure it's valuable or entertaining or something that they want to spend their time watching. And then tell them they have permission to embed, to share, to pass it on, to comment, so on and so forth. Tell them they have permission to click on the link below or visit for more information, click on the link below, whatever you want to do. And then their closing or thanks for watching, but then also the call to action. Hey, if you want to find out more information about this topic, click on the link below, and there's an informational site about this, which is your website, of course. And don't take them to your home page. Take them maybe to an internal page that's about this content that you've just taught in the video. But if you follow this step, this is kind of the proven steps for videos that will help get people to watch them and then actually to take action based on what you want to do. So either teach something valuable or be entertaining. And if you're entertaining, you have a viral effect that could happen. And people start passing it on, and you really could create a buzz there. Now, in a subsequent video, I'm going to teach you what I call a piggyback strategy, a YouTube piggyback strategy. So make sure you check out that video as well. But these are the ways in which we're going to leverage YouTube, start building a following using YouTube.